have to talk. I don't know how else to say this, but I met someone. Oh, great. Can you hold on for a second? Yes. Sorry. For a second there, I thought you said you met someone. How crazy is that, right? You met someone. Duh! Don't we all, meet someone? Yeah, I met someone too! Really now? You meet someone, I meet someone, someone meets someone, everybody meets someone! That's what people do, right? No, Yumi, you're not getting it. I met someone. Someone else. How dare you? How dare you meet someone else? I'm really sorry, Yumi. Forgiveness? I'm sorry too. I'm sorry for not seeing you were a total waste of my time. Send my love to your new life. Treat her better. We gotta let go of all of our goals. We both. You're lucky I'm even talking to you right now. Get out! Get out of my life and get out of my house! We both know we ain't kids no more. Okay. I'm gonna go now. Alright. Wait! What? No, I take that back. Don't go. Okay, alright. We can work this out. I'm gonna be better. I'm gonna stop eating chips. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna be healthier. See? I'm just gonna eat salad for breakfast and lunch and dinner. And I'm gonna cook you very, very healthy and nutritious foods, okay? Don't go. Let's work this out. I hate carrots, but I'm gonna eat carrots for you. See? Yumi, it's not you. It's me. I met this girl and we got along swimmingly. It's not about you eating salad or eating healthy. In fact, she hates salad too. Oh, well then, I hate salad. Chips forever, right? I really think that it's best for us to part ways, okay? So I'm just gonna go now.
Where do broken hearts go? Can they find their way home? Back to the open arms of a love that's waiting there.
So it's not going to be easy. It's going to be really hard. And we're going to have to work at this every day, but I want to do that because I want you. I want all of you forever. You and me, every day. Will you do something for me?
Yes.
Please? Just picture your life for me.
Yes.
30 years from now, 40 years from now?
Yes,
What's it look like? If it's with that guy, go.
Take your time. Come on, grab your friends. We go to...
Oh, Yumi, if you don't mind, I forgot some things. I just need to get them real quick. Oh, okay, sure. Alright, they're here. So I guess this is goodbye then. Just gonna take this and go. Okay? Alright, okay. Oh wait! Yeah, what? Can you throw this on your way out? Okay. Alright. You're the best. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun eating different foods. I hate this stage. Again, I don't mean to offend anyone with this video. Yeah, right. So all of you guys who have experienced the same thing or have been experiencing the same thing, I send you my virtual hug. Yeah. Come on, bring it again.